Understanding bipolar genetics, what you need to know. Imagine your genes as a huge instruction manual that shapes many parts of who you are, including your mood and brain function. Bipolar disorder is influenced by this genetic blueprint, meaning your genes play a big role in whether you might develop it. Scientists have found that many genes across your entire genome are involved, not just one or two. In fact, recent studies have identified nearly 300 specific regions in the genome linked to bipolar disorder, showing how complex its genetic makeup really is. Research involving over 150,000 people from different backgrounds has shown that tiny differences in many genes can collectively increase the risk of bipolar disorder. These genes are involved in how your brain signals and adapts, which are crucial for mood regulation. Interestingly, some of these genes are also linked to other mental health conditions like schizophrenia, depression, and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. This overlap suggests that these disorders share some common genetic roots, which helps explain why they sometimes appear together or have similar features. Twin studies, which compare identical and fraternal twins, estimate that between 60 and 80% of bipolar disorder risk is inherited. This high heritability means genetics are a major factor, but it's important to remember that environment and life experiences also influence whether someone develops the condition. Genetics set the stage, but other factors can turn the spotlight on or off. Recent discoveries have pinpointed specific genetic variants, such as those in the genes AKAP11 and HECTD2, which might help us understand the biological processes behind bipolar disorder. Understanding these genetic factors is a step toward creating more personalized treatments, since current therapies don't work equally well for everyone and can have side effects. It's important to keep in mind that research is ongoing, and bipolar disorder remains a complex condition influenced by many factors. While genetic insights are promising, they do not replace the need for professional diagnosis and treatment. Instead, they offer hope for better risk prediction and the development of new, targeted therapies in the future. In summary, bipolar disorder genetics involve a large number of genes working together to influence risk. Many of these genes overlap with those linked to other mental health conditions, and the heritability is quite high. These genes affect how the brain functions, especially in areas related to plasticity and signaling. Ongoing research continues to deepen our understanding, aiming to improve how we diagnose and treat this complex disorder. Remember, everyone's experience is unique, and consulting healthcare professionals is essential for personalized care.